Everyone, my name is Ekene and I am going to go through a brief video of how to set up a personal brand website with WordPress in less than 10 minutes. All right, so before we get started, I'm going to make three assumptions here that you've actually, number one, purchased a domain, two, you've set up your hosting service, and also three, that you've downloaded WordPress from WordPress.org, which is actually free, might I add. Okay, so now that you know that, by the end of this video, you're going to know how to set up your personal brand site with the homepage, blog pages, and ready to launch in under 10 minutes. So what I decided to go with here is a site that is dedicated strictly for my personal brand as a social web entrepreneur. And I liked the Perth theme simply because of its simplicity and the design. I think they did a great job. It's by A Themes. And trust me, I've been working with WordPress for over 10 years now, and they've done an immaculate job with what they've produced over the years. So what we're going to do here is start by customizing it. Now you'll see that I've already indicated a couple things here, but I'm going to change some things as we continue along here. The basic thing here on the customize section you'll see is that everything's laid out for you as far as the design for the site, and you can easily um, adjust this to your liking anytime. So I can just go ahead, select the image that I want, skip the cropping, right? And if I want, I could even crop it as well. I can have randomized headers where I can add multiple images, just as long as they're under the dimension guidelines of 1920 by 600, you'll be good to go. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and save and publish what I have, and there you'll be able to see the adjustments. So the next step after we've done that, you have your site title, tagline, logo, etc. You can upload the logo here. Um, Next we have the blog options. Keep it as classic masonry grid style, right? And we can leave that there. Um, After we've done that, we can go to the menus section. And now what we've done here is we have our menu of About Me page and also the home page. Now I want to jump back to the WordPress dashboard so you can see exactly how that works. Under the Appearance tab, there's a menu section where I can even go in and add the necessary pages I want to be shown. So let's go ahead and save the menu. So right now we'll go ahead and create a page called About Me, and I'll add my content. Right, go ahead and publish it. Now that it's published, I'm going to add another page called Resources. And I have that content here. And obviously for you personally, whatever it is that you're showcasing, you can indicate a resources page to let people know some of the stuff that you use as well. For me, I'm just indicating HostGator and the domains section, which would be GoDaddy, so people can know. And then I'll update that. So now I've created two pages. I'll go back to the menus section, and now I can adjust it to where those two pages are included. I can adjust it here for the order, and boom. So The next thing I want to add here are custom links that will direct people to my Twitter page. Right, so I enter that link and the link text. Now I want this to be an external link. As you can see here, I don't have that option unless I go to screen options, and then I can do link relationship and link target. So I can say open link in a new tab, and that will send people directly there. So when I save the menu, I go back to my home page, you'll see the resources tab, the about me, and that when people select Twitter, it opens a new tab. Perfect, right? So let's go back, and I just want to add my Instagram page, and I'll just do that right here. And so people now have access to that on that home page. Okay, so now we have set up 5 pages. Instagram gets sent directly to there, and they can connect with me on that as well. Okay, the next thing is we want to be able, anybody who visits the site wants it to be simple and clean, and that's what the Perth theme provides you with. So when I go in and I select my work, view my work, people will be able to see exactly what it is I've done. So the first thing I'm going to do here is give people one of my sites that I'm working with access to that. I'll select it under my work, and I can talk a little bit about it. Community. Right? Whatever I want to put. So I can create a link, and that sends them there. All right, done. And this actually will be listed under my work, and I can also put it under my journey as well. I'm going to go ahead and enter a featured image so you guys can see that. And then we're done. It's that simple. So when I go back here, what I want to do to make sure that this button sends people there, I'm going to go ahead and select this, and now I'll copy and paste that link to the section page. Cancel that. So go right here to header area, header text, paste, done. So now when people click and view my work, they can see that. Click home, good. And then blog will be any blog entries that you want to enter. You just do the same thing there. So that's it, folks. You now have the ability to set up your own personal branding website with WordPress, and we did it all under 10 minutes. If you guys have any other questions, go ahead and connect with me at Ekene at ekenesweb.com. Thanks a lot for listening. Have a great day. Peace.